We're excited to present Templafy's new collapsible task pane. Streamline your focus to maximize your efficiency. You can now collapse Templafy whenever you want to focus on your work. And when you're ready, simply open it again to browse your content or use the AI assistant to speed up text editing. Even better, you can now navigate to your pinned libraries in just one click. To edit these pinned libraries, navigate to your user options and into Preferences. There, you can pick and choose which libraries you'd like to have pinned for quick access. Once you confirm your choices, your updated set of pinned libraries is ready to use. In your user options, you can also manage your user profiles and update your personal information when needed. And remember, in your settings, you can also manage the language interface. Get started today. Pin your favorite libraries and get more out of Templafy. Thanks for watching.